Alright, what's going on, everybody? I want to take the time to say I appreciate everybody who's been tuning in. This is going to be my first official video. That's not a short of me playing Forza or me playing something else, but it's going to be the first official video of many more to come. So I want to take the time to tell everybody who's been showing love and support, liking, comment, sharing, especially subscribing. Like, we hit 60 subscribers, we hit 30,000 views, but this is gonna be the first official video. We're gonna start dropping that car content. We're gonna start popping out the Z. It's springtime right now. Summer is right around the corner, so I gotta get this car ready. So today, we're gonna be taking the Z to the shop, and we're gonna be getting some things sorted out. We're gonna be doing some body work. We're gonna see what else we get into, because we got a brand new roll of wrap ready to go. Yeah, a lot of things been going on in the past 2 days. We got hit up by some companies. We might have snagged a sponsorship for some car parts, and then on top of that, we got hit up by a company to pop out to some shows, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to hit up those. There is a date in mind that I do have that I want to try to pop out to. June 8th is the New York City Puerto Rican Day Parade. Yes, there is one in the city, in Manhattan, but that's not the one I'm talking about. I'm talking about the one that's local here in Brooklyn. It was started by locals, and it revolves around nothing but just cars, bro. Cars. I'm talking about old cars, new cars, like music, culture, nothing but love. So we're trying to get the car ready for that date. We got a few things that we got to do, so we're going to start today. And right now, we're going to go pick up the Z. We're going to pop out to the shop, and we're going to get cracking. So let's go pick up the Z. All right, so we're here in the shop now, and I'm about to show you the car in all her glory. She does not look pretty. This is literally how people make videos. And then they post it up on YouTube and they become viral. So can we become viral? So this is our 1990 Nissan 300ZX that is trash. You're being weird. Huh? I'm being weird? This is literally how people make videos, bro. This is literally what they do. Name any video you've seen that has a short on it. Anyways, this is our car. All right, while that dries, this is the engine. This is what we're working with. It don't work that well, but it worked. It's crazy. We got a lot of work ahead of us. I mean, at least it looks good under the light, right? Looks good under this light. So starting, we got this big hole right here that we need to work on, and it does not look pretty at all. I don't even know how this happened, but we're gonna have to figure something out. Now we just have a lot of chip and paint, causing a lot of, little rust spots. Damn, it takes the rust off like right away. It said 30 minutes. Well, this one, it came off right away. All right, so we're about to reveal the wrap. You're not trying to see this? You gotta come see this, bro. It's like grand opening right here. I'm trying to wait. I mean, I know what color it is, but I want to see it in person. I'm trying to figure out how it's gonna look. Like, is it gonna look red like that?
Nah, that's
I know, but that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm trying to figure out.
I hope not.
Exactly. Nah. It's not gonna be red like that. It's not gonna be red like that. I'm trying to zoom out. I mean, I know what red is gonna be, but. All right, ready? You saw it already?
I'm looking at it.
Nah, you gotta take out the plastic. That's the lesson.
Oh, I can see it. Nah, that's nice.
Hold on.
Nah, flip it on this.
I know, but I'm trying to see which way's the slide out.
Yeah, this way. I think so. Plastic blinking isn't on it.
Ooh, shit bloody like wine.
I ain't even go loud. At least like that.
Nah, I don't look exactly like that. You tripping, bro. This is darker. This is way darker.
Yeah.
This is way darker.
I gotta see it in my car. No,
It looks similar.
very similar.
How you think it's gonna look on the car?
I was to imagine it.
I mean, the only piece that we can probably do today is the hood, but I mean, the hood and maybe the fender. There's really nothing wrong with the fenders. Like, the fenders are good. We just gotta like sand down. The hood is same.
You want? We can do this little panel actually, just that.
Gotta sand it. I don't really care about all the little bugs, all the little defects. Damn, what the hell is all this?
They're running from the plague.
Yo, we gotta do is like sand this down a little bit.
I say we take this out, we sand it down a little bit, and then we wrap it.
You could probably do it.
It's like
How does
like
that-
a starter. It's like, oh shit, that's how it's gonna look.
Let's see how this fender looks. Oh, this one's not bad. This bumper, we're not even gonna do the bumper until we get a new
this
one.
fender isn't bad. That fender's fine.
This one's a little bad, but down here, but it ain't like killer bad.
No.
Damn. We can sand. And it's like all these little pieces, like we could just sand. We don't even gotta. All right, this is the color. This is the backyard way of getting it done. And this is just to fill it, because we can rip it out afterwards. What? No, I didn't really want to. I wanted to let it. It what? What? Alright. This ain't the normal way of getting this done, but we're just gonna let that expand for a minute. And then when it expands, we're gonna cut it down and sand it down and take the next steps. Turn it back now. Not as much dust as I thought it would be. I lied. Finish it.
Yeah, when you blow it off.
All right, don't breathe. Damn.
Still gotta go out.
What?
Still gotta go out.
Yeah, it's just down to a bare kati. But it's smooth though, it's pretty smooth. We gotta go a little bit though. Let me see up here. Not that bad, it's a little bit more. I mean, I don't wanna go crazy. I don't wanna take off too much. We're sanding down the rest of this, and then probably come back after we do a little bit more sanding because there's a lot of sanding to get done. So we'll be right back. We're back in action. This is my first attempt at Bondo, so. Alright, this is my first attempt at Bondo. I've never Bondo. Yo, should I be wearing a mask doing this, bro?
Bondo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? The smell is atrocious. Great googly moogly. Alright, we're gonna put the cream hardener. We got blue. This smells crazy. Maybe like yeah, it smells crazy.
Get your shirt up or something. Get your nose up.
Alright, so before my shot was ruined, I think this is the best I'm gonna get with some Bondo. So I'm just gonna let it sit and then we'll continue later. Alright, so he just finished sanding pretty much everything. He sanded down the hood, sanded down the fenders. over here. Damn, you brought down to bare metal.
That one, yeah, it's just bad.
Bare.
It was bad. It went all the way up to here. It still goes. I left it because I was like, you know what? Look, it's smooth. It's a
Nah,
little hard
it should be
here.
good. It's good. Like I said, the front bumper. Front bumper we're not doing because we got to get a new front bumper. What we got in here? Old school Benz. Old school vet. That's old school vet back here. Yo, is this a Mark 1? All right, so I got the light on. Yo, it's kind of sick, bro. Nah, just like the whole setup. Got the whole cage in there. Nah, it's fire. It's a C4. C4. 86, yeah, C4. It's got the digital cluster. Yeah, it's got the digital cluster. This is fire. Old school Benz. Yo, shout out to Signature Auto here in Queens for letting us use the shop. Got an old school Malibu. What's this, a 330i, right? That's what he said it was? I don't know, but he got a carbon trunk lid. Full drift build. Full drift build. This is the owner's car right here. He's been working on this. Oh, this is fire. Yeah, shout out to Signature Autos here in Queens. If you need your car worked on, hit them up. I'm gonna drop information down below. Tag them right here. Signature Autos. Damn, with the blue seats though, bro. The blue seats go hard. Full carbon inside, everything. That's crazy. This is crazy. That's fire. Jet skis, they do powder coating here and everything. Wrap, PPF. Full craziness right here. Sure. Full closet on there. Yeah, shout out to Signature Auto HQ here in Queens. If y'all need anything done, hit them up. But yeah, dude, y'all powder coat, vinyl wrap, PPF. Wait, he's getting a list. I think he's getting a list and he's checking it twice. We got one-stop shop. We got paint protection film, vinyl wrapping, powder coating, paint correction, ceramic coating, custom installation, window tinting. Y'all do starlights too?
Yeah,
Starlights too.
Oh,
Yo, whose shirt is this, bro? Oh, and they got the X belt. Oh yeah, paint protection film, vinyl wraps, powder coating, paint correction, ceramic coatings, window tints, auto body and collision, ambient lighting, starlights, motorcycle customization. Jesus, they do it all here. Signature Auto HQ. Yo, I like this card, bro. I get a shirt? Yo, I get a shirt. There we go. I'm wearing this. We gotta go take some pictures somewhere. You going to Roses?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Alright. We just left the shop right now. And gotta grab something to eat. I don't know if this video ends here. Like, or do we continue? I don't know. Because we still got some more work to do, but alright, so we finished for today. We're gonna end the video here because we're probably not gonna get to this car for like what? Another week?
Yeah.
And that's just gonna be too long to wait for video. So wanna appreciate everybody who tuned in and watched this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe because we gotta bring those subscribers up right now. So this guy's turning.